Hi children, good morning. 4th class English, page 54, Unit 12, The Devoted Friend. So it is a story of two friends, mom. It is a story of two friends named Hans. Hans and who? Hans and who? He was a miller. These both people were friends. Hans was a very good person and a very simple person and also a very kind person. He was a gardener. So he was having a small place in front of his house. He used to grow some beautiful flower plants and some vegetables and fruits. And he used to share everything with his friends, and he was living happily. And what is the character of this person? He would help to others, but he would not expect any help from others. But whereas the other person, he is a miller. He is a miller. He was very selfish person. Though he would say that we both are good friends, but he would not help this person when he was in difficult situations. So whenever he passes from Hans' house, he used to take some flowers and vegetables and fruits. Only sometimes, only for few times, he used to give some flour. Flour means pindi beta. ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి ఇచ్చేవాడు, కానీ తన ఇంటి నుంచి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అక్కడ ఉన్న ఫ్లవర్స్ కానీ ఫ్రూట్స్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ అవన్నీ తీసుకెళ్లేవాడు. సో డ్యూరింగ్ వన్ వింటర్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్, Hans was not having any money to buy food for himself. So what he did, he sold out his wheelbarrow. This is called as a wheelbarrow, which is used for clearing the land. Okay, and he sold all the items which were with him, and for the sake of food. So, in winter season he did not come to హిస్ ఫ్రెండ్. అతని ఫ్రెండ్ దగ్గరికి ఒకసారి కూడా వెళ్ళలేదు, ఎందుకంటే వింటర్ సీజన్లో ఇక్కడ తను ఏ ఫ్రూట్స్ కానీ వెజిటేబుల్స్ ఫ్లవర్స్ కానీ ఏమి ఉండవు అనమాట అక్కడ. దట్స్ వై హీ వోంట్ గో, హీ డిడ్ నాట్ గో టు దట్ పర్సన్. సో వెన్ హీ వాజ్ eating in his home, his wife and his son was saying that can't we help in this difficult situation, he may not have food. So he was saying no need to help him, he will have something to eat himself. If we call him to our house, by seeing all our house he may feel jealous. Even his son was saying, let him come and stay here, I will give some portion of food to him. But he did not accept for that. He was saying friendship is friendship and business is business. So after the winter, again the spring season comes, and in the spring season again Hans will grow all the beautiful flower plants and fruits and vegetables. Now after growing of that plants, miller will go and ask Hans to give the prime roses, these flowers, to him. So Hans will not think. He just whatever the miller asked, he used to give him. So during winter, Hans will say to his friend, తన ఫ్రెండ్కి చెప్తాడు అనమాట, వింటర్ సీజన్లో నేను అన్నీ అమ్మేసుకున్నాను, నాకు ఫుడ్ దొరకక అవన్నీ అమ్మేసుకున్నాను. నౌ ఐ షుడ్ గ్రో ఆల్ దీస్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సెల్ ఆల్ దీస్ దెన్ ఐ కెన్ గెట్ బ్యాక్ మై వీల్ బ్యారో అండ్ ఆల్ అదర్ ఐటమ్స్. బట్ హీ వాజ్ సేయింగ్, why I have one old wheelbarrow in my home, you can bring it and you can do. Actually that wheelbarrow was not in a good condition also, but he was saying I will give you, but now you give me some roses and flowers, fruits and vegetables. So Hans, he was a very kind hearted person. He used to believe his friend. So he said okay. But next day he came and asked his friend to. So Miller asked Hans, so I am giving you wheelbarrow, no? You help me in some works. Next day he came to him and asked his friend to go and sell the flour at the market. Hans was very tired by doing all his garden work. Even he was tired, he went to market and sold out all the flour and brought money and gave back to his friend Miller. And one more day he came to his friend and he asked that my roof means the house roof is completely damaged. You come and repair it. ఎవరు అడుగుతారు? మిల్లర్ హన్స్ని అడుగుతుండు, మా ఇంటికి వచ్చేసి ఆ రూఫ్ని రిపేర్ చేసేయని. దానికోసం ఒక ప్లాంక్ అంటే వుడెన్ పీస్ కావాలి అంటే హన్స్ మా ఇంట్లో ఉంది, అది నేను తీసుకొచ్చి రిపేర్ చేస్తాను అని చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళి రిపేర్ చేస్తాడు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ డే అగైన్ వన్ మోర్ టైమ్ హీ కమ్స్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ టు టేక్ హిస్ షీప్ టు ద మౌంటైన్స్. తన దగ్గర ఉన్న షీప్స్ని మౌంటైన్స్కి గ్రేజింగ్కి తీసుకెళ్ళు, నేను నీకు వీల్ బ్యారో ఇస్తున్నాను కదా, దాని బదులు నువ్వు నాకు ఈ పని చేసి పెట్టేసి అనేసి అడుగుతాడు. హన్స్ పాపం తను ఏం చేయలేక తను ఆ షీప్ని తీసుకొని వెళ్తాడు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ డే నైట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, మిల్లర్స్ సన్ విల్ ఫాల్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ladder. He have some injury on his leg. So he comes to his friend and asks his friend to go to the doctor and bring him. My son is suffering with pain. So Hans, what he did, he went to the doctor. It was very cloudy night. So it was a terrible storm set in. It was the night was pitch black, means more dark, and Hans could hardly see anything. That means he was unable to see anything in that darkness. So after walking for 3 hours, he reached the doctor's house and told him that Miller's son is injured. So the doctor, he started from there in his horse-driven carriage. But he did not ask Hans to get in that carriage. Poor Hans, he was walking back of this horse-driven carriage. So in that darkness, what happened, by mistake he wandered off into swamps. అక్కడ ఉన్న చిన్న బురద గుంటలలో తను పడిపోయాడు. ఎవరు? హన్స్. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, హీ వాజ్ అనేబుల్ టు కమ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్. హీ డ్రౌన్ అంటే మునిగిపోయాడు దాంట్లో. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, నెక్స్ట్ డే all people were gathered there and discovered the dead body of Hans. They brought him home. People mourned him, and Miller was in the forefront as he considered himself to be Hans' best friend. So all people were talking about Hans' goodness there, and Miller was saying, he was my good friend, I used to help him, I used to give him some flour, and I also offered to give my wheelbarrow like this. But he was not a good friend of Hans. Hans was very kind and he was helping all the time to the Miller, but this Miller, he did not help Hans. So how, see here, I shall never give anything in future. It will only bring in misery, said the Miller solemnly. Even though he had exploited little Hans to the maximum with the promise of a wheelbarrow which he never gave. తను ఇస్తా అన్నాడు కానీ ఎప్పుడు కూడా అది ఇవ్వలేడు. కానీ ఈ చాలా వర్క్స్ తనతోని చేపించుకున్నాడు. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. నో బెటర్ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ మీన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు షేర్. The sharing must be from both the sides. Yes or no? So here the Miller is a what type of person? He was a very selfish person, and poor Hans, to his friendship, he was very devoted to his friendship. Even he lost his life for his friendship. So this is the story of this lesson beta. Once you go through the lesson reading.